Wagwan, my name Winston. We're born in Kingston, Jamaica, but now we live in New York City. But if you're born a Jamaican, you die a Jamaican, you man. Everyone loves Jamaican, man. Jamaican most loved people on the planet. You see the movie Cool Running? Jamaicans be the first tropical country in Winter Olympics, man. Everyone loves us Jamaicans. There's even a book on how to love a Jamaican, you man. Everyone talk good for that book, man. Today me show you how to make any meal Jamaican with just 2 side dishes. Yeah man, steamed cabbage and fried plantains. You're going to love it. Me tell you, you're going to love it. Yeah man, let's do the thing. The ingredients for the fried plantain, you just need salt, plantain and olive oil. To make the fried plantains, you need to ripe plantain just like this one. And you cut it open and you peel it. Now we put it in the bowl of soup. Now let's cut the next ripe plantain. Now we put the olive oil in the pan for our fried plantain. Fill the pan just enough, just like that. Let it come to a little boil, let it get hot. Let your pan get hot. You'll see little bubbles when you know it's ready to put in. And we're gonna let the sides get brown for about 4 minutes each side. Now the plantain are turning brown and you flip it so. Some Jamaican restaurants like to have them real thick. May like to have them real cut thin where they're more crispy and lighter. May like a light area plantain, but it's up to your discretion. So for the ingredients for the steamed cabbage, we have black pepper, we have allspice berry, we have salt, we have olive oil, we have half an onion, we have 3 garlic cloves, we have red pepper, we have green pepper, we have carrot, we have scallion, thyme, cabbage. Because we're making steamed cabbage, we start by cutting the cabbage into small little pieces. Now we put it in the bowl. Now let's cut our onion. Now we're going to cut up our garlic. We got 3 cloves of garlic. You know, garlic is really good for you. Really good for you. So many benefits in garlic. My mother loved garlic. She used for everything. She tell me, oh, I eat garlic in the morning. I put it in toaster oven. She loved garlic. She said it's like a home remedy. She used it for everything. Cut it up real nice and fine. Nobody want to eat big chunks of garlic. No. You know, they say garlic helps with the common cold. It's really cold. It's really good for you. Now we cut our bell pepper. You know, I take out this portion of it. It's no good. All this I put to the side. Now we cut the green pepper. Now we cut the scallion. Now we grate the carrot. Now we're going to add our olive oil. Now we're going to add our onion. Then we're going to add our garlic. Then we add our fresh thyme. Then we're gonna add our scallion. Then we're gonna add our cabbage. Now I add the bell pepper, red bell pepper on top, and green pepper. Then we add 2 berries of allspice. And lastly, our carrots. And before we put a lid on it, we try to do a nice little stir. Just a little stir. And then we want to, before we put a lid on it, just add a little bit more pepper. Now the cabbage is now done. Let's plate it and now eat. The steamed cabbage and the fried plantain is ready. I'm having it with the jerk chicken. You can watch the previous video for the recipe. Let's try it. Now let me try the plantain.
Yeah.
They're so amazing. You really should try it. If you like this recipe, click on the like button. If you made this recipe, click on the I made it button and show me your pictures. Me would love to see your picture. If you like me, follow me on Khal.com to see other recipes. Until the next time, respect. Now finish this.